Hello. Today we're going to be doing Chapter 3, Lesson 5, which is Multiplication Properties and Division Rules. So today is going to all be about the rules. And the rules are a fantastic way for us to really just know the answers right away if we understand the rules. So instead of jumping right into the example first, I am going to look at the rules first. Okay? The rules are down here at the bottom, and it talks about when multiplying the order of the factors does not change the product. That's called the commutative property of multiplication. So it's the same as with addition, where changing the order is not going to change your answer. You're still going to get the same answer. One of the easiest rules for math, for multiplication, is multiplying by 1. That's what we call the identity property of multiplication. And when you multiply a number by 1, you get that number, no matter what the number is. Same with 0. When you multiply that 0, easiest answer ever, you are only going to have 0. There's no way you can get more than 0 because you have, say, 3 groups of nothing. You still have nothing. So applying this to the problem in example 1, the table shows Jenny's and Cliff's scores. Jenny earns $3 for each chore, and Cliff earns $2 for each chore. So in Jenny's case, she does 2 chores, and she gets $3 per chore. So when we multiply 2 times 3, we end up with 6. In this case for Cliff, he will be getting, he does 3 chores, and he gets $2 for each chore. But since they're the same numbers, it's the same fact, we're going to get the same number for a total of 6. So each person is still going to earn $6. The order in which the factors was multiplied makes no difference. It does not change our product. The same is going to be true of division, where we have some rules. In division, the best thing ever, again, it's that zeros rule, that if you divide anything by 0, your answer is going to be 0. So if we divide 0 by 5, we still have 0, nothing. You cannot divide a number by 0. With ones, though, it's a little different. With the ones in division, we're going to be looking to see what our dividend is. Remember, the dividend is the big number, the number that's being divided. So in this case, the dividend is 7, and we're going to put all of those into one group. So in our one group is 7. When you divide any number by itself, the quotient is always going to be 1. If we have 4, and we put all 4 in a group, we have one big group. Okay? So looking at example 2, it says there are 9 party favors and 9 guests. How many party favors will each guest get? There's 9 party favors, 9 guests, so each person is going to get 1. So a non-zero number, any number that's not a 0, divided by the same number is always going to be 1. So each guest will get 1 party favor. You can go ahead and do the rest.